miss you all. Let's start our new lesson today. In this video, we will talk about Chapter 12, Lesson 2, Slope of a Line. Our objective today is to find the slope of a line and use slope to understand and draw graphs. Let's start. Lines have constant slope, okay? So, for a line on the coordinate plane, slope is the following ratio. We have vertical change over horizontal change. That means change in y over change in x. Took it before that it's raise over run, you remember? Great, so today we will take the slope but with a different way. This is the positive slope, negative slope, and this is 0 because it's parallel to x. And in defined slope, it's parallel to y. So if I find 2 points on any line, we can find the slope. So if I have first point x1 and y1, second point is x2, y2, so I will take the change of y, means I will take y2 minus y1, and the change of x, it's mean x2 minus x1. Let's try this one. We have here find the slope of a line that passes through -2 and -3 and the point 4 and 6. What we will do now, we will take the first point as x1, y1 and the second point x2, y2. So here we will take this one as x1 and this one at x2. And here, -3 will be y1 and 6 will be y2. Let's put for y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we will take 6 minus, and we will take -3 with its sign here. So it will be -3. 4 minus -2 with the sign. So 6 minus -3, negative multiplies negative is positive, negative multiplies negative is positive, so 6 plus 3, 9, 4 plus 2 is 6, so 9 over 6, it's mean 3 over 2, okay? So the slope is 3 over 2. Check next. We have -4 and -6, we have 2 and 3. We will do the same. So we will have here for y 3 minus -6 and then take 2 minus -4. So 3 minus -6 minus multiplies minus, it's positive, negative multiplies negative is positive, so 3 positive 6 is 9 and 2 positive 4 is 6. So it will be 3 over 2. Here I have a graph, it's already a graph ready. Let's find the slope. To find a slope, I need to choose any 2 points on the line. Choose any 2 points on the line, okay? So I will take this point here, this point, you can see it. This is how we can read this point. It's 0 and 1, so this point is 0 and 1. Okay, and I will take another point, 3 and -4. 3 and -4, it's here. Point is 3 and -4. We will do same. Here it will be y, change of y means y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So when I take here 1 minus 4, and 0 minus 3. So the answer will be 5 over -3 or 5 over -5 over 3. Okay, how we do it? Trace over run. You remember that triangle we used to draw? Let's draw a triangle here. So when we draw a triangle, can you count how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares here. 1, 2, 3. So this 3 and this 5. Another example here. Notice that if we switch x1 and y1, switch the point, it will have the same slope. let's try. If I have here 0, 1, I will change the point. You remember? Here we took what? 3 and -4 first. Now here I will take 0 and 1 first. When I change it, it will give me the same slope because -4 minus 1 and 3 minus 0. So it gives us the same slope. The negative here, it came from up, so it gives us the same slope. Last one here, we have a graph and we need to find the slope for this graph. First, we will choose 2 points on the graph. I choose 1 and 1 and 0 and -1. When we make the formula for the slope, we will have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So it will be here -1 minus 1 and 0 minus 1. So it will be -2 over -1 equals 2. Okay, when I make a trace over run, I draw a triangle and count how many squares in y direction and how many squares in x direction. It will be 2 over 1 means 2. At the end, wait for next video to solve our book.